What's going on, beautiful people? I'm here to tell you 3 different ways on how to make money from anywhere in the world in 2018.
My name is Evan, and you're listening to Block E.
First, and one of the least expensive ways to get started from making money from anywhere in the world is through e-commerce and drop shipping. Now, all you need to get started with drop shipping is either a smartphone or a laptop. Either one of these 2 items are enough to get you started with drop shipping. One of the best platforms to use with dropshipping is Shopify. And Shopify offers a 14-day free trial for anyone that just wants to test it out, build their website. Now, dropshipping means that you are essentially a middleman. So you order supplies from a Chinese supplier like AliExpress or Alibaba, and then you sell to your own customers. You create your own ads. You can use Google, Facebook, Instagram to create your own ads, and you sell them as your brand. And you sell them as your brand through your website. It's a really cool and neat opportunity because you don't need that much capital up front. Like I said, Shopify has a 14-day free trial to get your website all up, get as many apps working with your website, to synchronize the shopping experience for your customers. And after the 14-day free trial, I believe the cheapest package from Shopify is $30 per month, which is still super cheap. You can make all that money back with just one influencer post on Instagram. And yeah, no, that's probably the cheapest way to make money from anywhere in the world in 2018. The second way to make money from anywhere in the world in 2018 is with social media marketing. Now, what social media marketing is, you essentially are a freelancer or you run your own agency and you work with other businesses to improve their social media and to increase client conversions or increase their customers with their social media channels. You can go about social media marketing in a few different ways, but what I would recommend first before you get started in being able to just freelance and work from your laptop or your smartphone with social media marketing is to start in your local community. First, find some businesses that you know something about, or a niche that you know something about. Like if you know something about golf, go up to a few golf stores and see what they're like on their social media channels, and then offer them something that they can't say no to. Offer them either a package or either like a 1-month subscription to your service, and try to get them a 2, 3, or 4 time return on investment for what they pay you. So you want to increase their client conversions by a minimum, very minimum, 2 times if you're going to be helping them out. Don't go into any business if you don't know what you're talking about. Don't go into any company or sole proprietorship if you lie to them or you over exaggerate your service. Please do not do that. You will end up, it's never good to go into any relationship starting off lying, and B, that bad experience will turn off your client, and then they're going to tell other people in their niche or other friends, don't use your service or don't trust any social media marketer. They're just out to fleece you and get as much money from you as possible. So please don't do that. I'll be making a future video on social media marketing and how you can get started in social media marketing. But the first thing I would recommend in order to work from anywhere in the world with social media marketing is to develop a rapport with your local community. Work with different businesses. Do it for about a month or 2. See what you're good at, see your strengths, and then you can offer those same services while you're on vacation, while you're traveling, and then you can run either Facebook ads, Instagram ads, different things in order to help that business while you are not currently in whatever city that you are, that if you want to go travel to Thailand, if you want to go travel, like, I don't know, any sort of vacation spot, you can still have your client's best interests while you're on vacation, and your clients can be comfortable with you not being easily reachable, like via like a phone call or a face-to-face meeting. Make sure that you develop that excellent really, I can't even say that enough. Develop that excellent relationship with your client first, and then you can kind of work from anywhere in the world. So that one takes a bit more time. You also need some good, I don't know, if you do videos, you need some good like camera equipment as well. So it's a little bit more money up front than drop shipping, but there's a higher, the profit margins and the potential for it are much higher in my opinion, with my own experience. But other people are killing it with drop shipping. But just with my own experience and getting the same amount of subscriptions and profit every single month, I'm more comfortable with social media marketing. That's just how I am. So that's number 1 is drop shipping, and number 2 social media marketing. And now let's get into number 3. Third one is the most expensive portion, and I don't recommend this for anyone that has no idea what the hell they're doing, and that is through real estate. Now, real estate allows you to have passive income. Now, passive income is something that everyone should strive for. Passive income, you can travel anywhere in the world and you can still be making money just by sleeping, just by waking, just by doing, like, not even having to leave your own place. You're getting money just by owning land or owning a place, and everyone should be striving before that goal. Now, in order to be able to afford real estate, a lot of it, you have to start in the market somewhere, and you have to gain trust from your creditors or either banks if you don't have that amount of money up front. So make sure that you check your credit levels before investing in real estate, and start off small. That's my recommendation. Start off with like a smaller property and then kind of work your way up. And yeah, just try to seek out help from, if you know any real estate agents or if you know anyone in that real estate niche. Ask them for help, bring them out to coffee or take them out to lunch and ask them what the market is like in your own local area. Yeah, that's another thing. I will always recommend start with your own local area, since that is the area that you know. Unless you know someone that lives in a different part of either your country, and stick it with your own country. If you know someone in a different area of your own country and they understand the market a little bit more, use them as a mentor to get started in real estate. And another way to kind of cut your costs with real estate is to go in with a partner or go in with a group of people to invest in a property. That one's going to need less capital up front, but you remember to go in with really good relationships, and you make sure you know who you're doing business with. A lot of people get into business because they just want to make the quick buck as fast as possible, and they take on people who might take advantage of them. So I wouldn't recommend that. So those 3 things, once again, in order to make money from anywhere in the world, one of them is with drop shipping, the second one is with social media marketing, and the third is with real estate. And I'm going to give you a bonus. The last one that I would recommend to make money from anywhere in the world is with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you can either give a link or you can offer a service to someone and you get a commission out of it from that brand or company. So one of my clients with that I'm working with in social media marketing, he has an affiliate link that he uses to work with that company. So I think he makes like a 30% or 50% commission if he sells some of their goods, which is really great because he can do that from anywhere in the world. He doesn't have to be in one spot in order to recommend a product or a service to anyone else. And he ends up making, like what I said, like 30 to 50% commission off of each item that he sells. So that's a really good way. And another one that I use is Amazon. And what you can do with that is, if Like say this Google Pixel Google Pixel 2, I'm sorry phone, I'm very sorry. So in the description down under me, right down here, I put an affiliate link for the camera that I'm using to shoot this video with, and that is a Google Pixel 2, and this phone is absolutely quite amazing. And I'm also using its microphone. I have my nice Rode NT2A microphone over on the side because I just want to make this as simple as possible. And that is an Amazon link, and I think I might make between 5 or 10% for anyone that uses that link, so I greatly appreciate it if you do end up using this link. Coming to the end of this video, that is 3 different ways on how to make money from anywhere in the world, plus 1 bonus in 2018. Remember to hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications if you are just browsing your way through. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for checking me out.